In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make memes on Capcut. Let's jump right in. Start by opening Capcut on your device. You can do this on mobile or desktop, and the interface is very similar either way. Give the app a moment to load your workspace so everything's ready to go. If you're new to Capcut, don't worry. This method is beginner-friendly and fast. Once you're in Capcut, head to the Templates section. This is where the magic happens. Templates are pre-built edits with timing, motion, and text already set up for you, which is perfect for memes because the pacing and punchline are built in. You'll usually find templates on the bottom bar on mobile or in the sidebar on desktop. Now use the search bar and type the word memes. This filters the library to show meme-focused templates, including reaction formats, image macros, split screens, and trending styles. Give the results a second to load, then start previewing. Tap or click a template to see how it plays. Pay attention to the aspect ratio, 9:16 for vertical, 1:1 for square, and 16:9 for wide, so it fits where you plan to post. Also look at how many media slots it needs and whether the vibe matches your idea. Set up in punchline, before and after, or a quick reaction. When you find a template you like, select it to start customizing. The template will prompt you to replace the placeholders with your own images or short clips. Choose visuals with a clear subject and good contrast so the joke reads instantly. If you're using screenshots, crop away any extra clutter before you confirm. Keep the order consistent with the template's flow. What appears first should set up the joke, and what follows should deliver the payoff. As you replace each image, use the built-in controls to scale, reposition, or rotate so the important parts sit inside the safe frame. Center faces or key text, and avoid edges where captions might overlap. If the template includes automatic captions or labels, let them do the heavy lifting. Most meme templates time these perfectly to the beat or the cut, so your content feels punchy without extra effort. Once all placeholders are filled, play the preview from the start. Check that the framing looks clean, the timing feels snappy, and the images are readable at a glance. If something feels off, quickly swap an image or nudge the framing until the joke lands. That's it. Your meme is built using a Capcut template, with your visuals plugged in and the pacing handled for you. Enjoy creating and have fun experimenting with different templates to match your sense of humor.